Okay, so we're going to make a contact sheet now that we've got our photos where we need them on our computer. So we're going to say File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2. Going to have to wait very patiently while my computer does this from home. So we will get a menu. And we need to ensure that we've set the menu up as we want it. So here we are, familiar hopefully to you. So the document's set up in centimetres. You can change that to millimetres or inches if you like. I want it to be an A4 document, so I'm going to change it here to 21 for the width and 29.7 for the height. Just for good practice, I'm going to change the resolution to 300. I can decide how many rows and columns I want, so how many pictures I want to go across. Do I want 6 by 6, 6 by 5, 5 by 6, like this example? Whatever you want, you can change it there, or you can just leave it. Your font caption, and the font that you'd like it in is what you want written underneath each photograph. So if, for example, you've changed the name of them and it says something like symmetry, viewpoint, etc., that's probably more meaningful. If it says dsc197.jpg, probably less meaningful. But these are the captions. If you don't want to see them, you can uncheck the box. If you want a different font, if you want it in bold, if you want it in a different size, you can change it here. What we do need to do is say, this is where I want you to make the contact sheet. This is where I want you to find the photos. So this is the folder I'm trying to select. So we're going to just click on the choose button, and then we're going to locate the folder wherever it is saved. So if you're doing this at home and you've saved a folder at home, you need to find the location. If you're doing this at college, then you'll need to find your J drive in your J drive classes folder. So it's asking to browse for a folder. So I know that mine's in graphics and it's in composition. And I can OK that because that's the folder I'm looking for. And then we can see it here, and we're just going to hit OK, and we will wait patiently, and we should see a contact sheet start to come together. So you don't need to sit and watch the rest of this, in terms of the process of what happens now. The Photoshop will do the rest for you. You can see I've got the little grey spinny wheel. That's a sign that the contact sheet's being made. Okay, so it's File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2, and then you're going to select your folder, make sure your document's set up to the size that you want it to be, and then hit OK, basically, and it's going to do it all for you.